Hello everyone. When you think of a fancy meal, you probably think of soufflés, crème brûlée, and truffle oil. However, while these certainly are viewed as luxury food items, they are now becoming much more popular in everyday kitchens, especially truffle oil. This dynamic flavor goes with everything from pasta dishes to fried chicken wings. Its fresh, savory, and earthy flavor is used as a finishing touch, and it's a crucial ingredient that we can't get enough of. Real truffles are rare, but once you've had the chance to sample them, you'll never forget the experience. From their unique taste to their seasonality, they are a truly unique culinary experience. These edible fungi are one of the most sought-after foods in the world. If you want to step up your culinary knowledge, learning about truffles can excite your senses in a new way. This is everything you need to know about what edible truffles are, what different types of truffles you might find, and what truffles taste like. Truffles are a fungus that grows underground at or near the base of trees known as host trees. But not all trees are suitable places for truffles to grow. Typically, host trees include poplar, beech, and oak trees. Truffle fungi grow worldwide in many different varieties. They can be distinguished by their color, shape, size, and flavor. Truffles don't look like the typical cap mushrooms called boletus fungi. In fact, they look more like odd little potatoes when you first see them. Don't let their appearance fool you. These natural wonders are packed with incredible flavor. While there are different varieties of truffles, only some are considered edible for humans. Many wild, non-commercial varieties are toxic. Truffles can be found in most countries, but they are most common in France and Italy. The most common type of truffle is the alba or white truffle. These delicious mushrooms grow in Italy, France, and Spain. They can cost up to $2,300 per pound. If you've never had truffles before, you're missing out on an experience that will change your life forever. Truffle lovers will tell you that once you try one for yourself, there's no going back, and we'd have to agree. Truffles are mushrooms that grow underground in forests. They're shaped like small, unsymmetrical balls and can be found by digging, especially near tree roots. They have a distinct earthy smell and taste. Truffles can be found in the wild by all kinds of animals, including dogs, pigs, pigeons, rats, badgers, moles, horses, rabbits, and raccoons. In fact, you can even purchase truffle hunting kits for dogs online. Once it matures, humans harvest a truffle by digging up the plant, cutting off several parts of the root system at various depths for use, and replanting the rest elsewhere so they can continue growing. These truffles are acquired in many ways, ranging from truffle farms to truffle hunters. Truffle hunting is a seasonal activity that usually takes place from September to November, though this can change when hunting specific types of truffle. There are many different methods to find truffles depending on which species of truffle you're looking to harvest. The most common method of truffle hunting is using specially trained dogs to sniff out black truffles underground. Pigs are also trained to find truffles similarly to dogs. They do this by smelling or tasting the ground in certain areas where there might be truffles below them. Truffles have a distinct flavor that is both earthy and mushroom-like, but it's a much more intense flavor than you'd get from your average mushroom. The taste is hard to describe, but it's easy to understand why they're so loved once you've experienced it for yourself. In addition to being a luxury food, truffles can be used to flavor other foods. Truffle oil is a prime example of a versatile use for truffles. Truffle oil has a robust aroma and should be used sparingly to avoid overpowering the other flavors in a dish. It's most often made from olive oil, which has a smooth, distinct flavor that perfectly complements truffles. Many food lovers use truffle oils and salts as a garnish on various French and Italian foods like risotto, salads, and pasta. The umami flavor that comes with these mushrooms ensures that every dish they are added to will almost magically taste better. There are also ice creams and chocolates flavored with black or white truffle. Honey can even be made with the fungus for some palate contrast. You may also find pasta sauces mixed with truffles. These sauces tend to have an intense flavor that pair well with red meats like beef. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this one. Goodbye.